So can you make the iPhone home screen not tell date and a time? Well, there are some things you could technically do. It depends on what your goal is with it, but let me show you what is possible. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So when it comes to the date, that is not by default visible on the home screen. The only way it could show up is by you having a widget, right? So you know that you can hold down on the screen, go to the edit and add widget. So this can let you show up the clock widgets or the calendar, and those will most certainly display the date and a time. And if you don't want that, just make sure you remove those widgets and it will not happen anymore. But still, in the top left corner, you'll see the current time, which is actually like a good feature. But if you don't want to see it for some reason, the only way to kind of hide it is only temporarily. And you would do it by using the zoom feature, where you can slightly just zoom it in a little bit and the thing will be like disappear, which I'm not saying is ideal by any means, but if you quickly just want to not show the time, that is the way you would do it. So you can make sure you have the zoom feature enabled in the settings, accessibility, and there is the zoom right there. And as you can tell, I can zoom in with a double click with 3 fingers. So that is the gesture. So that's just a temporary method, or something which you can try out. But other than that, we don't have more options outside of that. So let me know what you think. Subscribe for the next quick and explanation tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.